This is Miss Shep, and welcome back, beautiful people. Listen, I had to turn lemons into lemonade with this soap. Check her out.
Oils in bars.
Oils and bars.
Oils and bars.
I'm excited here. I'm gonna go take a shower now.
Oils in bars. Yeah.
Okay, so I was going to make a Valentine's Day themed soap with chocolate hearts and real coconut butter. But it didn't work out because of the time. So I decided that because that custom mango soap that I made came out so good and luscious, creamy, bubbly lathers and all that, I said, all right, let me make some fruit soap. And so that's when I made the banana soap. And that soap came out really luscious and bubbly and just bomb. Yeah, so then I added citrus because I had the fruit already. And citrus is known for helping to lighten and brighten dark marks and areas on your skin because they are loaded with vitamin C. This next bar that I'm going to cut is a bar that I made from the leftover fruit purees from the previous soaps, and I just put them all together in this batch. Now this batch is for me. Excuse the noise in the background. If you hear noise, those are my neighbors. They live over top of me. So anyway, moving on to the next soap, which is my melon soap, and I used cantaloupe melon to make this soap. And this soap, creamy, silky lather, have your skin up. All these soaps are bomb, really. And this is my cucumber soap, and I've made a cucumber soap before. And cucumber in soap, I mean, when you're using real cucumber, it's what's up, it's bomb. Hey, beautiful people, if you haven't already, follow and subscribe to me, and let me know in the comment section which soaps you'll be willing to try. I'm having a giveaway. These next clips are soaps that I redid. I redid the mango soap, I redid the banana soap, and the citrus soap because I didn't care too much for the aesthetics of my first batches. And so these soaps are beautiful. Not only are they beautiful, they leave your skin feeling beautiful. Mango with its lightening, natural qualities. The banana with its brightening, natural quality. And the citrus with its natural, brightening and lightening quality. Oils and bar soaps will get you naturally clean. Naturally clean. I use only the best ingredients in my soaps, in my products, because y'all, our skin is beautiful and deserves the best soap. Y'all love on y'all skin, love the skin you in. Stop being so hard on yourself. With oils and bars, you will win.